music in me. I got the music in me.
So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Hold 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 up, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. He hooked. This part's the same. We roll our way 1, 2, 3, and 4, but you pitch.
And I've stepped a little bit further forward.
Okay, pitching the spine so that we can put the brakes on count 5. Hold 6. We slide 7, 8. Okay, Monty's going to build a little bit of compression to do a bump and go. 1 and 2. 3 is we release on 4. I decide this is a perfect place for a Botafoga. So I angle the hips. I roll that hip forward and back. So we started with our new material, just reviewing a slip whip to an egg beater. In the slip whip, Dan goes for the underside of my tricep, but he has to travel the 2 and the 3 very differently. So it's 1, 2, he travels 3, and 4, widens the arms 4. Right, for the egg beater, the hands follow the circle the same direction clockwise at the same pace. So we have 5, he slips his, right hand under, 6, the hand comes to the back of the shoulder. We anchor for 7 and 8. Okay, so watching that one more time, that's our easy version, so which really isn't all that easy. So 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, but then we changed it up. So guys, once we get to the 4, everything is the same. So 3 and, but Dan is going to stabilize his left hand. Right hand is going to halo, leads me to pivot, totally what I'm expecting anyways. Then he lunges to the left, which stops me as I head to the right. We both recover 7. We step 8. This feels like a tuck turn. I just anchor under for 9 and 10. Okay, so at speed, this one will go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Then we have the lunge extension in the middle of it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, step with her on 8. Men, I could let go with the right hand and just let her anchor out like normal. Or if I keep both hands, it would take us into a double leftover position. Remember when you're out just practicing or whatnot, just go high 5, turn her to the left, and it'll put you there just the same, so you don't have to go back through everything. From here we did a left side pass, but I threaded my right arm up into a platter hand. 1, 2, I did a little cross and cross, anchor step, right? From here we did Whirlpool. Basic rhythm, it becomes an 8-count rhythm of 1, 2, 3, and 4. She does a walk, walk, anchor, step. So that's your basic version. But then we had the horse and cart. And yes, T is the horse, I am the cart. So what happens is I stabilize on my left foot, I accelerate her with my center, and then I just allow that right leg to extend out nice and straight and pointed, and I use T for my energy. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I get her going, and then I join in, and then we finish it on out. Okay, so here's the whole thing. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Anchor step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then it's whatever it is. Anchor step. Okay? All right, good job.